In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sub-accounts in QuickBooks Online. If you're looking to organize your accounts more efficiently, understanding how to utilize sub-accounts in QuickBooks can really streamline your financial overview. Let's break it down step by step, ensuring you can follow along effortlessly. First, we're going to start from the QuickBooks Online dashboard. You'll want to locate the gear icon, which you'll find in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking this will open up a menu with several options. It may seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we're headed straight for the chart of accounts. Once you've selected the chart of accounts, you'll be presented with a detailed list of all your current accounts. This is your financial foundation, and setting up sub-accounts here can help you categorize and manage your finances with much more specificity. So, let's move forward with creating a new sub-account. You'll need to look towards the top right part of your chart of accounts page and click on New Account. This brings up a new dialog box where we can start configuring our sub-account details. Now, in this window, you'll first enter the name of your sub-account. Choose a name that clearly defines the purpose of the account, making it intuitive for future reference. Next, you need to select the appropriate account type. This choice will depend on what the sub-account is intended for and should align with how the parent account was set up. Following that, you'll also select a detail type. This option can offer more precision, helping to categorize the account further. The detail type should mirror the nuances of your financial activities in that account, providing clarity in your reports. Once that's done, look for the option to check the box labeled Sub-Account. This is crucial because only by checking this box will QuickBooks understand that this is not a standalone account, but rather part of a larger category. After you've checked this box, you need to specify the parent account under which this sub-account will function. Choose the parent account that corresponds with the sub-account's purpose for seamless financial reporting. And there you have it. With everything correctly filled in and the parent account selected, you've successfully created a sub-account. This simple organization tool is now part of your QuickBooks setup, ready to enhance your financial tracking and reporting. I hope you found this guide straightforward and easy to follow. Setting up sub-accounts can make a world of difference in how you manage and view your finances in QuickBooks Online, ultimately giving you deeper insights and better control. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video where we'll dive into more QuickBooks tips and tricks.